Hi, I'm Mike with Bridge Cable, and today I'm going to show you how to strip back fiber. Things you are going to need are strippers and fiber. So, depending on the application you're putting in, whether it's a fiber tray or if you're just doing a regular fusion splice, you're going to dedicate some length to it. In this case, we're going to act like we're putting it into the tray, and we're going to strip back a good amount. What we want to do is, using the fiber strippers, there are 3 different settings on here. One for the jacketing, one for the outside of the fiber, and then for the cladding. We're going to use the first one, kind of score it, squeeze a little bit, and boom. Cuts the fiber, jacketing, and you can slide that right off. Afterwards, you're gonna have all this hair-like fiber in here. This is Kevlar. It's used to help pull and protect the fiber. Very strong. For this, you'll need Kevlar scissors. Cut the Kevlar as close to the jacketing as possible, and trick of the trade, tie it in a little knot so that now this won't get all over the place. It's stuck in that knot. This is now trash. Inside, here are your 6 strands of fiber. Usually, we start with blue. Color code goes like over here. Blue, orange, green, brown, slate, white, red, black, yellow, violet, pink or rose, and aqua. Now, how to remember that. The typical color standard is blue, orange, green, brown, slate. That is the typical standard in all telecom wiring. Then when you get into the binder coloring, it goes white, red, black, yellow, violet. Rose and aqua are added for fiber. Way to remember from white on is the way I was taught. While running backwards, you vomit. Ladies before gentlemen. So, moving on. Now we're going to strip the fiber back. Take about 2 inches. You're going to go into the second hole here, hold down, and pull away from the fiber. Now, I use my thumb, kind of like slicing an apple. And that takes the jacketing off the fiber. Then, we have to get this cladding off. This particular fiber has a blue coating on it, so you'll be able to see when it gets stripped off. Go to the very end, the third one. Make sure there's no jacketing inside of that, or it will cut it. Hold down, and again, same way. And then as you can see, that cladding came off, and now you have a bare piece of fiber. I'm Mike with Bridge Cable, and that's how you strip fiber.